Initially, I've been in addiction 27 years, on treatment now, but I finished psychology and group psychiatry at the University of Bucharest in addiction, and I could never profess, I could never have a job in the field because of my criminal record, drug use, drug possession. A drug charge stays with you forever, which traumatizes people even more. Drug use is based in trauma, it's self-medication because of a past trauma. Then you get arrested for drug possession, you're being taken to a police station, re-traumatized, then sent to prison, traumatized again, released into a society that traumatizes you continuously, but by not giving you a job, no housing, no prospects for the future. So everything that you can do, it's continuing a criminal career. So in my opinion, personally, and probably it's not only my opinion, we all in our organization, in UISCE, we think the same. We should try and decriminalize drug possession. It doesn't help anyone. The war on drugs, it's never gonna be won. Drugs are here to stay. We need to rethink our strategies on approach to drug use.